Hi everyone and welcome to Advanced Installer YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing two solutions to fix the configuration file loading issue when deploying an application using an MSIX package. I've already created a simple .NET console application that gets two values from an XML configuration file. While debugging the application in Visual Studio, the configuration file loads correctly without any problems from the executable. Now let's install the application using an MSIX package. I've set up a Windows application packaging project, so let's create the package and install the application. It's important to mention that when creating an MSIX package from a Windows application packaging project, the default working directory is systems32. The package has been created, so let's install the application. As you can see, the configuration file loading fails. The reason is that the application uses a relative path to load the configuration file and the working directory isn't specifically set to the executable folder. So the app will try to load the configuration file from the systems32 folder rather than the executable's location. The first solution is to modify the source code, since the Windows application packaging project does not have support to set the working directory. What you need to do is get the location of the binary and append the config file name to this location. Then you'll end up with the full path of the config file. Now let's create a new MSIX package and install the application again. Before installing the new application version, let's uninstall the previous one. This time, the configuration file loads correctly. The second solution to the config file loading issue is to set the working directory. You can use Advanced Installer to build the MSIX package and set it. I've already created an MSIX in Advanced Installer and added the first version of the application, the one where we've used a relative path for the config file. Advanced Installer provides a user-friendly interface, so setting the working directory is very easy. Navigate to the Application Details tab, locate the Start Point section in the right view, and set the working directory to the executable folder. And that's it. Now let's build the project to create the MSIX package and install the application. As you can see, the configuration file is loaded correctly with this solution as well. For more guides and tutorials, check out the Advanced Installer YouTube channel or the Advanced Installer blog.